If you're building a new investment property, you may be wondering what happens during the actual construction process. Hey, I'm Kellen from the Alberta on Fire Investor team, and today I'm going to explain to you what that process looks like throughout the construction of your new home. First step of the process is getting introduced to the builder contact. Really just an introduction via email or over the phone. Why we do that is just to establish that connection of direct communication so that there'll be constant updates sent to you throughout the construction process, as well as just having that soft introduction and familiarity with that person at the home builder. After the initial contact, unfortunately, for the expectation of breaking ground right after you remove conditions is actually pushed for about 3 to 4 months. There's a lot of behind the scenes internal work that goes on at the home builders. Things like construction drawings, things like engineering reports, architectural design for the exterior, meeting the guidelines within the neighborhood. So a lot of work goes in before they actually even break ground. Why they do this is because once the construction begins on the home, we want to try and avoid any delays, or the builders want to try and avoid any delays possible. They want the construction process to go as smoothly as possible. So once everything's been approved on the builder side, they submit to the city, municipality, wherever the home is being built for the permits. Sometimes this can take 2 weeks, sometimes this can take up to 8 weeks or longer, especially when it comes to legally suited homes. So again, be patient, it's all worth it in the end. So once everything's been approved from the city, the next step is the builder will have a surveyor come and stake out the plot of where the home will be built. After that, an excavator will be on site to start digging the hole, which is always an exciting time to really initiate the construction process. So once the hole has been dug, the construction process begins. The support for the foundation, which are called the footings, that is what's poured first. You go through the foundation being poured. A weeping tile is placed around the building to prevent water buildup on the foundation walls. You see the home being backfilled, so the dirt is filled in around the foundation. And at that point in time, you're going to start seeing some framers after that. There's a lot of preparation that goes in before the framers, but that's where the structure and the exterior of the home is complete, which is also a very exciting time because now your hole in the ground has now turned into a structure. After the framing is complete, you look at getting rough-ins are done, which is all your electrical and plumbing throughout the house. A lot of that actually starts in the basement and then works its way up. As you move forward, you see the insulation, you see our drywall happening, and then a lot of the interior finishes. One of the unique things about new home construction is every single stage actually has to go through an inspection from the city, has to have a green sticker before they're able to advance, which means that the quality control has to be there, which is also one of the reasons why we truly trust the new home construction process. As a feature that's offered through a lot of the builders and through our team, we do have the opportunity to walk through the property, not quite on demand, but there will be some opportunities to see the home before drywall is put up in the home, which is a neat way to kind of see behind the walls, or see the guts of the house, which is always a unique time because you'll never see it like that ever again. There's always a guaranteed walkthrough before the closing date just to ensure all deficiencies have been noted and any outstanding issues are given attention. And then also on possession, you do get a detailed walkthrough with a site supervisor or construction representative from the builder. We are able to accommodate, along with the builders, additional walkthroughs if needed. So, as an out-of-town investor, if you want your property manager to see the property before it's complete, we are able to accommodate that and work with the builders to plan that out. One of the really unique features that we also are able to offer is working with the property managers and the builders to show the properties to future possible tenants before closing, so that we can do everything in our power to ensure that these units are getting occupants as soon as possible. When it comes to construction timelines, it's always a difficult conversation to set expectations for. Mother Nature is definitely something that we cannot control. Especially here in Alberta, where we could have 4 seasons in 1 month. It's always difficult to predict that. But again, we work alongside the builders to keep you updated, or our clients updated throughout the process, so that there aren't any surprises come closing time. What makes the construction process unique with our team is you have a trusted advisor, that being our team, that will not only provide you additional information and insight on the construction process, but also represent you or represent on your behalf when in discussions, negotiations with the builder, finding the best models, finding the best developments to work within. Our goal and through all of our case studies that we perform to choose these projects have all been done for you. So you don't have to do the shopping. We're able to find the projects for you and help you throughout the process. If you want to learn more about how we help our clients succeed in investing, make sure to click and watch the next video where we talk about client success management. If you're interested in investing in new construction, make sure to click the link below to contact our team about our new opportunities. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this one.